mini waffle. You have seen a square waffle, heart waffle, and circle waffle. We will make today circle waffle. Let's open it. This to make waffles. You need this, and what else? If we will make only this and need anything. Yeah! Idea is that we need milk and butter. First we will add 2 scoops of batter because batter will do everything. If we will not put butter, how waffle will make? Let's put it 2 scoops. 1 scoop and 2 scoops. Look, we will add little bit of butter in it. Let's put it. We will add milk in it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Let's make now waffle. It has dawned. Now we need this. Let's open it. It is like a green light, red light, yellow light, green light.